Hola muchachas y muchachos, currently on vacation in beautiful Tulum, Mexico, getting ready to go out, have some margaritas, some mojitos, you know, all that good stuff. I'm gonna do everything, hair, makeup, outfit. So if you guys want to see how I transformed myself into this, then please keep watching. So right now I have the cooling water eye patches from Milk Makeup. They're pretty sticky and so they make my eyes look really small, but I have to put these on right now because my eyes are just all like unhydrated. Is that even a word? Dehydrated. Oh my god, Diana. I definitely have a lot of dark circles from like the lack of sleep from vacation. So far all that I've done to my eyebrows is I outlined them with some concealer and I just finished blending that out. So now I'm just gonna fill them in with some dip brow pomade from Anastasia. We're getting ready to go to a rooftop. We want to catch the sunset there. It's currently 4:56 and I checked my weather app. The sun sets here in Mexico at 6:50, so I'm gonna try to be ready within the next 30 minutes. I already know what I'm gonna wear. These feel so weird whenever I look down. I feel like they're pushing my eyeballs up whenever I try to look down. Anyways, I'm gonna try to wear a dark rosy or mauve. I can't really describe the color that it is, but it's a really pretty dress. So I'm just gonna do like two basic eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Soft Glam. It reminds me of this rose pink right here, the color of the dress. So I'm gonna do that color on the lid with some dusty rose and honestly just call it a day. For the last video that I posted using this palette, my friend Danilsa texted me saying, really Diana, you couldn't freaking like wipe the palette before you showed it on camera because it's so dusty. And hey Danilsa, guess what? Look, it's still dusty. I'm not gonna apologize. This is the palette that I use every single day. That's why it's so dusty. These shadows all like pick up a lot of powder whenever you dip into them. So, and to all of my YouTube friends, people that don't know me in real life, but if you're watching this, I'm sorry that you have to watch me hold a dusty palette in front of you right now. Dusty rose color looks so pretty on so far. And now to swipe this rose pink. Ooh, look how pretty. I'm just honestly gonna blend it up into the dusty rose color. I don't care if it looks neat or not. I'm going for kind of like that messy natural look. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm on vacation and I'm feeling lazy, but I don't have time for a transition color and then a darker color on the outer corner, and you know, no, we're not doing all that today. So let's take these off so that I could put on foundation. This foundation that I'm using is the new Bite Beauty foundation. It's the Micellar foundation. So it's a clean foundation, vegan, clean meaning free of like bad chemicals and ingredients. And surprisingly, it's like very long lasting. The fact that I've been wearing it for like 2 weeks straight and not using anything else says a lot about how good it is. That's why it's the one that I brought with me out here on this trip. Natural Beige Born This Way concealer from Too Faced, my fave. So far while we've been out here, we've been approached twice about buying drugs. It's like, you know, so stereotypical, like, oh, you're in Mexico, you're gonna, you know, get asked if you want to buy coke, but it's literally happened twice to us. We were at the beach yesterday and a girl just literally walked up like, hey, you guys want to buy coke and mushrooms? And we're like, no thanks. And then it happened again. This time we were driving, we were in the car, but we stopped because there was like traffic, and you guys know how sometimes there's like people like on the sides like selling things. A guy just walked up to our window like, wanna buy some? And we're like, no thanks, buddy. Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's a bake. This is the only white powder I want to buy. If that guy that approached us about the coke was selling Laura Mercier for the Lolo, this would be what I would buy. Hula Caramel from Benefit is life. It's like my favorite bronzer. you guys already know, Tarte blush palette from like 2015. This has been with me for 5 years. It's crazy, but it's my favorite. Super bright pinky blush. I'm also gonna apply some on the forehead to make it blend into my bronzer, and apply some on the nose. I'm gonna be doing my Amandizzle lashes. Before I put them on, I'm gonna go ahead and do some nude eyeliner on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna be taking a little bit of that dusty rose color that I used before, and I'm gonna do it on the lower lash line too. Let's take a little bit of this rustic color. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this glistening color on the inner corner. Ooh, look what that just did for us. Let's check the time. It is 5:23. I didn't do too bad, so technically got ready within 30 minutes. Lips, let me do a gloss because my lips have been so dry over here. You guys should already know I'm gonna be doing Conspiracy from Urban Decay. And the Dior Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper in Rosewood, which is one of my favorite glosses. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do highlighter, but I brought this with me to try it out while I was out here. It's gonna be my first time trying it, you guys. I'm a little scared. Let's see. This is the Patrick Ta in the color We Need Her, which is the gold pearl color. I'm gonna hold it about like, was that too far? Maybe I can do like, I think I'm gonna like maybe block this so it doesn't get all over because I don't want it to get messy. But then what if it gets like on my lashes and my eyes? Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. Oh, I don't really see it. I feel like it's not really showing. Do I need to do it closer? I'm just like scared to really spray a lot on and then end up looking crazy. Okay, I guess this is it. It's just like a subtle glow. She cute, she cute. Oh my god, the shit gets in your eyes. It's not bad. I just thought that it was really gonna be like blinking. Ooh, ooh. I'm like inhaling this stuff. I think it's okay. I don't know. I feel like applying more blush. I want my cheeks to be all pretty and pink. Just also blend this contour right here a little bit better with the blush. Okay, let's go get dressed. It's 5:28. Sun is gonna set in like an hour, so let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch. Oh, I got it, I think. Oh. Woo. So this is the dress right here that we're gonna wear. Let's put it on. Ouch, they're so tangled. Ooh, I see a hummingbird outside the window.
What?
Are you in the toilet?
No.
I thought I heard a fart.
You said there's a hummingbird?
Yeah, I saw it here. It was inside the flower. Definitely gonna keep it in a ponytail because it's easier to manage that way, and also I don't have to worry about like blending in the pieces with my hair, which has been a struggle to do whenever I wear it out. I hate this so much, but I was the one that wanted a different look, right? For this vacation, I was like, I want to do something different. I want to have long hair, so I have to just suck it up and put up with it. These hoops, and I'm gonna call it a day. Damn, I feel like my feet got fat. Bag I'm gonna be bringing the Louis out tonight. Okay guys, and here is the final look together. I know that the dress is looking a little wrinkly, but I'm just so lazy to even steam it. I just want to go. You guys know we're kind of like in a time crunch. Another thing right now is that the shoes are actually kind of like squeezing my pinky. Why is my pinky toe so freaking fat? Like, it's squeezing it very, very hard. It's actually hurting it, and I don't want to be uncomfortable for the evening. Like, I know that it looks really pretty with these shoes specifically, but because I don't want to be uncomfortable, I'm honestly just like thinking about wearing these little flats instead. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I make up my mind and end up switching or not. Or if anything, I could just always put them in a bag. I think that they'll fit in here. And that way, if I really can't stand them, I can just switch them out later on. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to film for you. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching.